everyone, welcome to the ScrapbookPal YouTube channel, or welcome back. Sarah Wiles here today, and I am going to be playing with the Gina K Serene Sea Life stamp set and die set. I'm also going to be using an older die set from the shop. It is the Scored and Pierced Rectangles. I really am loving these. I don't know why. I'm liking just the little detail, I guess, it gives around the edge when it does die cut something out. So I went ahead and used my VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink and stamped my images. I'm going to set them off to the side and let them dry a little bit before I do anything with them. But right now I'm using Distressed Oxides to create kind of a fade into the center. I'm using Worn Lipstick, Saltwater Taffy, and Spun Sugar. I will also pull in a little bit of Festive Berries here in a few minutes. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of working from dark to light. I've got the Worn Lipstick from the outside, and then I work in with the Saltwater Taffy, and then I finish it off in the center with the Spun Sugar. And I keep going back and forth between the two, and what it looks like right now, it won't stay looking like that. It will dry back and it'll smooth out. So I do love that about Distressed Oxides. Here I went ahead and grabbed the Festive Berries, and I'm adding some water to it and splattering it on top of my card panel. And then I'm going to just roll my paper towels and clean it up a little bit, dry it because I am impatient. So I will clean this off, and then I'm going to grab my Distress Spritz and Fossilized Amber, and I am going to splatter that around the top of that card panel as well, or all over that card panel. I just like the gold it gives to it. I'm going to go ahead and clean this off. I love this Ulta New grip mat. I think I'm going to have to get another one in probably the really strong grip, because that one is a low tack. Here I am using a Copic Ciao. This is E35. I'm also going to use a Copic Sketch in E57 and E59. That is the Copics I will be using on these cute little seals. So I attempted to show it to you, but I speeded up a little bit so, it doesn't really show well. And the Ciaos don't have the numbers on the lids, and so I kind of forgot to set the regular sketch Copics up where you can actually see their lids. So I do apologize for that. But I'm going to go ahead and cut over them multiple times, cut color over them multiple times. I add my shading and stuff that I want, and then I go over them usually with another one. Here, I hadn't put my dies out on the magnet sheet yet, and yes, they come with a magnet sheet in it. I think that is so awesome. I love it. And so I went ahead and put those on there, and I'm pulling out my dies for the seals, and I'm going ahead and cover them up. I've also got my tear tape that I'll use here in a second, just to hold my dies into place, and then I'll run them through. I already stamped my sentiment as well. It's sealed with a kiss. I am already into making cards and stuff for Valentine's Day, so yeah. I went ahead and ran this through with the largest panel from the Scored and Pierced rectangles. And so I went ahead and set that to the side. I looked and made sure that it would fit where I wanted it to, and I decided I did want to keep the white. I thought I was just going to cut like a block area around the letters, around the words, but I decided to fussy cut it. And then I went ahead and glued that to the top. I'm trying to place my seals where I want them on the card. And so I'm also going to grab my white gel pen, and I'm going to color around the edge, because I did get outside of the stamping with the Copics. And so this actually covers it up, so that it has its white border around it. I'm going to go ahead and grab my 3D foam squares. They're Scrapbook Adhesive by 3L, and I'm going to go ahead and add these to the back of my panel, and I'm going to stick it to the front of my card base. And then I'm going to play with my seals again, but then I decided I was going to pull out these cute little hearts that are on the stamp set as well. I grabbed two, one on each side of my acrylic block here, and I grabbed the Worn Lipstick and stamped both of them around the card. And then I decided I was going to use some more of those 3D foam squares and put them on the back of both of my seals, just to pop them up, add a little more dimension, because this card is very, it's very plain. There's not a ton to it. I like that though, because the little hearts show up in the background. The seals are cute. And so I just figured that this would be a cute way to do it. That actually finishes this card for me after popping those little ones up. And I really enjoyed this. I like how the seals turned out. I'm relearning my Copics. And so you'll be seeing more of those. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure to go to the shop and check things out there. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this so you're notified and you can come back and watch more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.